Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best collapsible folding wagon carts.
Starting at number 5.
Portal Collapsible Wagon. Portal Collapsible Wagon is made with a strong steel frame and high-density polyester fabric. You just need to twist the 4 star-shaped twist-off screws on the corners, and you are done. This portable wagon does not require any special setup. With dimensions of 35.6 by 19.1 by 21.7 inches, it has a high weight capacity and can carry up to 225 pounds. The movement of this cart is made easy with its ergonomic handle and 7-inch large wheels. The premium quality of this cart makes it suitable for uneven, rough terrain, including transporting to beaches, concerts, sporting events, parks, or around the house. The brand also offers a year's warranty for this cart against any defect.
Coming at number 4.
VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding. When you need a premium quality folding wagon that does navigation well and makes your daily chores effortless, this one is a must-try option. A part of our list of best foldable wagons, this large cart is made of 600D Oxford fabric, heavy-duty metal frame, and PVC coating. Measuring 36.22 by 21.65 by 14.96 inches, this quality-tested wagon is perfect to assist you at a camping site for carrying anything from plants and firewood to children. The wheels are powerful, and they can flexibly rotate around 360 degrees to make your wheeling experience easy. You can carry up to 176 pounds of cargo in this high-capacity wagon without any hassle. The compact design of this wagon makes it easy to fold and store. The heavy load wagon comes along with a flexible handle, a cart storage bag, and a removable bottom board, which can be removed to change the design.
At number 3.
Amazon Basics Collapsible. The folding wagon from Amazon Basics is a collapsible outdoor utility wagon great for storing gardening tools, moving grocery items, taking out the trash, or carrying kids during family outings. Being a large loading cart, it can even be used to carry pets in times of need. Built with an extendable steel tube, this wagon is super strong and reliable. It has a good quality plastic handle which makes pulling and pushing completely handy. With a maximum weight capacity of 264 pounds, it is a sturdy utility folding wagon.
Number 2 of my list.
Radio Flyer 3. Radio Flyer's 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon is truly one of a kind and comes in the list of best collapsible wagons. It is a full-size wagon with a canopy that can fit kids really well. With 3 different modes of bench seating, kids riding, and flatbed hauling, this premium folding wagon stands out from the regular folding wagons. According to lifestyle vlogger Alicia of Another Housewife, it was super easy to assemble. The tires, they turn really easily and are soft. It does come with seat belts and a little safety harness. It is also padded. The wagon has a weight limit of up to 150 pounds. It is great for kids up to 1 to 2 years. It also has 2 front cup holders to put your drinks securely. Measuring 7 by 18.50 by 32.68 inches when folded, this folding wagon is easily portable. Here's a review video showcasing a tester's experience to help you get a better understanding of the product.
And number 1.
MacSports Collapsible Folding. The folding wagon from MacSports is one of the best folding wagons. Made with a heavy-duty frame and durable 600D fabric, this wagon has a large weight capacity of 150 pounds. With a perfect size of 32.5 by 17.5 by 10.5 inches, this wagon has a good interior capacity, making it suitable for carrying luggage, gardening equipment, and even taking your kids or pets to the park. Also, it folds into an 8-inch thick size and can be kept anywhere. Some prime features of this top-rated folding beach wagon include a flexible handle for easy movement and 2 cup holders to hold your beverages in place. The reviewer of DIY Save channel says, the red switch is to unlock the handle, and the black switch is to make the handle longer to shorter. Only 2 buttons to take care of, and it goes in and out much easier and latches back when you want it to. So, yes, it works fine. It weighs just 22.5 pounds and has smooth gliding wheels, thus is suitable for the outdoors. Check out this review video showcasing a tester's experience to know more about this high-quality product.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.